Sometimes on threads, you may have posted ghost posts and, sometimes by mistake, you may have labeled them as AI-generated content. So if you want to remove that AI label from your thread's ghost post, you can do that. In this video, we'll be talking about how. For this, open the Threads app. After that, here you can see your profile photo, click on it. When you click on that, up above you can see your profile photo, and next to that you can see all your ghost posts. Click on any post. When you click on it here, you can see every ghost post.